I am doing this video this morning for the developers that are working on my application. The purpose of this video is to show them how I want my feed in the app ran. Let's get right into it. What I want is bigger content, bigger pictures, bigger words. The idea behind all of that is that, mind you, people that will be using this application, most of them are going to be on the go. They're going to be at venues. So I'm thinking larger content, easier to consume, quick and fast, and they can move on and navigate the app. So I've came up with a way that I think will work for this application in particular. So let's just say this is the feed that I had. It would run just like this, pictures back to back. I like that. It's clean, concise, shows directly what the user, when he took this picture, what he was looking at or what he was focused on. This video here in particular, this picture right here is a big content. I get that, but we should be saving a lot of space with the photo and the video and the comment section down here, and our header up top just being the name, the 4 pages, and the home picture, but the home button up here. I have came up with a way that we can have all the content behind those pictures, like all the information, that's concerning this picture. So again, the feed would run just like this. Various users taking pictures that would run back to back. Let's take this picture here, and let's say I wanted to find out who posted the photo or any comments about the photo. It would go something like this. The only thing the user would have to do is press the photo. This screen would come up, but of course it would be relevant to what we're trying to do, and it will look more like this. So it would come up and it would say open, comment, discard, cancel if you're viewing your own picture, and it would say open, comment, regab, cancel if you was viewing someone else's picture. I'll explain that regab button later. So let's get back to here, and let me explain a little bit of this to you. The open button. If you wanted to inquire about this picture, the picture again would be here. This right here would be the screen that we just showed you. This right here is different. When that screen pops up, it would have a profile pic of the person that posted this picture or content, the username and the location where they took the picture and the timestamp. It's the equivalent of just the exact same thing as what we already have this ran that we're running right now as the user's profile picture. That's all that is. This right here is the open button. So if you want to inquire about this content, you would simply hit open. This will open the content down, and this will bring down the content here, and that content would look like this. So this would drop down below that, and it would go to the page where you can add content and consume content that other users have commented on this picture, photo, video, or comment. We already have this page. It's high five button. Have the high five count. This is the regab button. This right here is the comment section, and of course this is profile pictures where the name and whatever it said about the content is. This right here is a close button where once you've seen this page, you can just hit close, and this page will go right back up under the picture. And let me explain the regab button. Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. The regab button is that you can, as you can see here, when you are scrolling through content, if you see somebody's picture that you like, you can press the picture. It'll come up, this screen pops up, and you can press the regab button. What the regab button does is it sends this photo to all of your friends, and it does something else uniquely to Gab. It sends the photo to everyone else that has checked into this venue, wherever that photo had been taken. Again, let me explain. So if I regab some content from Focus Inc. headquarters, everybody that has checked into Focus Inc. would receive that content. I think that's a great idea. I think because a lot of people, they go to venues, they check in, spend 2 or 3 minutes with the app open, if that, close the app, and I think it's just a nice reminder that other people are enjoying that venue or their experience at that venue. Um, it's almost, to me, it's kind of like retweeting, but retweeting doesn't do it by location. It just basically sends it to all of your followers. With this, I want to focus in on just as well the venue itself. And cancel, of course, it does just what it simply does. It clears this screen out and goes back to the content. Everything else is basically the same. Again, the way that I want to make sure that you guys get this, if you want to inquire about content, you press open. This drops down right here. This page drops down. Right now where we have it where it flips over to an entire different page. But this simply could stay on the same page, but it drops down and it have this page up under it. So you can add content. And one thing I did forget, we already have a bar down here where we can post content ourselves. This right here would stay the same. We would have the post comment section right here where you can actually post your own content. And again, you can just simply hit close, and this will close everything up. And I think you guys understand that the high five, this right here is just simply count. If you want to high five someone's content, you can high five it from there. This would be the count. This is the comments and how many, the count on the comments right there, just as we already have. And I want to show one more other thing here. That right there in particular was to show you how to how the photos would look. Now what I want to do is show you how we would, the process of taking a photo, the redesign on something like that. So we have this. This would be the page that pops up once you are at a venue getting ready to take a picture. This is all the same here. That's the camera. This right here is different. This right here would be where your photos from your phone would be, and you can access them from there. If you wanted to post one of your photos at a venue, if you were checked in, you simply press the picture and all your photos will pop up and you could choose that photo. So let's say you have taken a picture. It goes to this screen here, just like it already does. And your content would be right here. You would press use. Once you press use, this screen will pop up. This is a little bit different. Again, your picture would be here. This screen will pop up. Again, it would be your profile pic, your username, and where you're posting the content from. This would be title, post, and cancel. What I would rather do here instead of post, I would rather put the word Gab, G-A-B, and that's the name of the, what I want to change the name of the application to. and to gab is to share information with people that are around you. Titling would be basically the same thing. You press the title button, and you can title the content that you have. Now, what I really want to do, as you see here, the content that's on this describes the picture. If we could do something where we could get like all the title words would show up on the picture itself instead of at the top, that would be really, really neat. If we can't do that, then I would just rather have it behind the picture, because I want to keep this as clean as possible. But I really, really want the title from the publisher to be on top of the picture. That way people can brand their own pictures if they want to. Again, this would be Gab instead of Post. I apologize for that. But you press Gab. Once you hit Gab, basically what that does is post that content. Then, or you can hit cancel, and that does just what it says it does. It cancels the whole process. But let me go over the other thing, because this is a little bit different. When you hit title, this picture, this screen here shows up, which is keyboard, and it's a clear a screen where you can type in whatever that you want to title this photo or this content. I got this screen. This is a simple screen. I got the idea from Twitter, so you can look at the Twitter application. It does it real clean and real clear. Again, you can cancel it, or you can keyword in whatever you want to say here, and you can post it, and it'll show up in the feed. Again, guys, y'all work with me here. I know this is a rough video, but I really want to do this. I think this will be better than what we have now. If there are any problems or any concerns, I know I'll be talking to you, but I just wanted to show you how I wanted to try to go about doing this. Thank you.